deadlines, deadlines, and more deadlines. So I'm participating in VLOGMAS, so I will try to make a vlog throughout this month, which will be very difficult. No, I don't want it. I have some things that I would like to get done today, and I decided to bring you with me and show you how my days look like. So my plan for the morning is to write on a PhD application that has deadline today, and then in the afternoon I'll do some thesis work, have some meetings, and do homework. So let's see how that goes. Yeah, I don't know how interesting it is to watch someone do online uni, but this is kind of my life. Just work on my thesis, write applications, and drink a lot of coffee. After relocating to the quiet study area, I continued to write on my PhD applications for a couple of hours. Then it was lunchtime and I felt too awkward to eat in the quiet room, so I decided to relocate again to a public space so that I wouldn't bother other people. After a much needed coffee break, I continued to write my functional analysis homework for a couple of hours before heading back home. Hey! It's almost 3 and I'm back home. Writing PhD applications is very stressful. Anyway, while I was waiting for the cluster to load, I got some functional analysis homework done, and I will now watch a bunch of talks on the observational science from the Einstein telescope.
Then we'll make black holes ideal particle accelerators, if you will, in this. Now,
Hi, tree.
And how they can be different according to different type of mergers, and basically measuring large-scale structure beyond electromagnetic methods. And I'm going to leave my summary here. Thank you very much.
I just got out of a meeting with my research group and I got a lot of problems to solve, so I was thinking of having a quiet weekend, but gonna spend it working. Fun. Yeah, it's fine, I like it. So I'm now going to send in my PhD application. Okay, I just sent in my PhD application and now I really have to hurry to orchestra rehearsal. So I think we're gonna end December 1st here, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Another rainy day in the Netherlands. Woohoo. Hey, and welcome to the 2nd of December. It's gloomy outside, as is the weather for December in the Netherlands. I knew this. I mean, I'm from Sweden, so this is fine. Today is a very busy day in terms of meetings. I will meet a group member and discuss some of my thesis work, and then I will have functional analysis tutorials and lectures, and then I will have a Dutch course in the evening. So it is now evening. Sorry, it's Wednesday and my whole day is just talks, meetings, lectures, more talks, and then I had to work out and make and eat dinner. And the only reason I have time to sit here now is because my Dutch course got cancelled because one of the teachers was sick or something. So now I can just spend the evening working some more and playing some violin. Hopefully I will be better at filming tomorrow and on Friday, but we'll see. trying to give the Netherlands a bad review. It's just that every day in December is very gloomy. But I'll try to go out one day when it's sunny and film, so that you don't get a bad impression of this country. So the rest of the day was mostly spent in the quiet study area of the university. I obviously cannot vlog much in there since I cannot talk, but I'm honestly so grateful that it remains open during these times. I mainly worked on my thesis and did some functional analysis homework. You know the drill by now. Later in the afternoon I had to relocate and I continued working on the functional analysis homework that was due the next day. I also found these Swedish snacks which are great when you're studying, so I was very happy. So later in the evening I was supposed to go to the library, but there was a storm outside, so I decided to sit in my bed because my desk is uncomfortable and finish my homework. It later mostly ended up with me playing ukulele, but it was a nice end of the day regardless. It is actually a little sunny today. Nice. You can see the sky even. Hey, it's currently 12:30 and I just sent in a homework. And now I have a lecture in the same course, an in-person lecture, so I'm actually going to camp, so let's go. They have a piano here, and this is the piece that I'm learning on violin. Cool. Hey! Oh look, it's the worst vlogger ever! She's back! Yeah. So I could not film inside the lecture hall because that would have been very uncomfortable for me. We were 12 people, so that was nice. I did notice that it is a lot easier to concentrate when you're there in person instead of watching it online on Microsoft Teams. I feel really bad for all of you who are starting university just now. Yeah, hang in there. So after my lecture I had a meeting with my supervisor, just discussing my thesis and what we'll do next week. Then it was very late in the evening, so I decided to meet up with a friend that I haven't seen in a while, and we had some dinner at the science park outside in the cold. Yeah, so it is now quite late in the evening, and today is actually the finale of the Swedish Idol. So all Swedes are going to sit at home and talk with their friends online and watch Idol. And with that, this will be the end of my first Vlogmas video. So if you watched this far, thank you very much. I hope that you liked it. And if you did, please consider subscribing so that